Hello and welcome to Joyce Application Questions, or JAQs. I'm Mark Burleson, a Senior Application Engineer with Joyce Dayton. Today I'm going to show you how to mount a limit switch. To mount it, you will need several tools. You'll need a hammer, pliers, screwdriver, Allen wrench, and the limit switch mount kit. Before you start, make sure the input shaft to the jack has been modified with the limit switch re-op. First, take the wrench and remove the bearing cap. Remove the seal from inside the bearing cap.
Next, insert the spring pin into the hole on the input shaft.
Notice on the limit switch adapter there is 5 holes. 3 of them are through holes, 2 of those through holes are countersunk, and 2 tapped holes. Take the seal with the hollow side out and gently tap it into the limit switch adapter. Next, take the limit switch adapter and align the holes on the adapter with the holes on the jack. Take the 2 short screws and insert them into the countersunk holes. Using an Allen wrench, tighten down the 2 screws to the jack. Next, take the alignment ring and insert it into the limit switch adapter. You may need to use a hammer to tap it into place. Take the limit switch and put the shaft around the spring pin on the worm. Align the open slotted hole with the remaining through hole and insert the long screw. Take the remaining 2 screws and insert them into the remaining holes. The limit switch is now in place. Please visit joycedayton.com or contact an application engineer today for more information.